Now you've learned what SmartStock is, Smart Stores, Smart Van and iVend and how it works. We need to now show you the right approach to selling the solution, so you can offer the right option that fits your customers' needs. This is a huge opportunity to sell a unique solution that differentiates Rexel from the competitors. In this video, we'll be taking you through the initial suspect and prospect stages of the SpanCo process. Selling this solution is different from selling a product. You need a really good understanding of the customer's business and the challenges they are dealing with before you even discuss the benefits of SmartStock. Taking time to identify which of your customers to approach will ensure a higher success rate and possibly some quick wins. This solution is not suitable for all types of operations, so focus initially on those who already operate along the following lines, but possibly inefficiently, and therefore a need already exists. Which of your customers already have a static stores on site? These will be a candidate for Smart Stores and iVend. Which of them have mobile repair and maintenance engineers? These customers may be interested in the van store solution. Once you identify a customer, you will need to create the opportunity as suspect on Vector and add to the SmartStock Solutions pipeline on Vector. This will allow us to track and manage identified customers at each stage. Just follow this process. 1. Find the customer using the customer search, entering the account number. Main one if they have multiple accounts. 2. Within the account customer record, click on the fourth tab along named Opportunities and then Create Opportunity. Complete the relevant details. Remember to select the SmartStock Solutions pipeline and the correct stage. Once done, click on Save. This will add to the opportunity to the customer record card and also the main pipeline view. During the selling process, you need to find out if your customer meets the minimum criteria. Annual spend greater than £50,000 on stores and £10,000 per annum on vans. Do they have the available credit limit? Also, product mix and specials lower than 30% of their total spend. If your customer meets the minimum criteria, please update the opportunity stage on Vector to prospect and add sales opportunity amount. Once you have added your opportunity on Vector, you can contact the customer and ask if they're interested in a solution that will provide immediate time and cost savings. It will also improve their productivity, compliance and profitability. Explain that Rexel offer an exclusive app-based stock solution which has been developed to work in either a static stores or for managing van stocks. Asking the following questions will help you identify where your customer's greatest problems lie, and you can then focus on the elements of SmartStock solutions that solve those problems. Ask open questions such as, what are your current issues with stock management? What are your cost challenges? Allow the customer to do the talking. This is an important fact-finding stage in the process. Ask specific questions such as, what time pressure are you under to complete jobs? Do you know your stock levels at any given time? How do you deal with redundant stock? And questions that require more time for them to evaluate. But in doing so, they will realise where costs could be saved. How much of your engineer's time is used in sourcing materials? What is the true cost of obtaining materials and travelling to and from your suppliers? How do you ensure you have the right products in the right quantities and locations for the job you've got to do? This is not an exhaustive list of questions. A full list of qualifying questions is available on the SmartStock Toolkit on the Hub. Be sure to capture all their issues so you can keep your presentation relevant to their organisations, constantly referring back to their specific challenges. When you want to review or update the customers in SmartStock pipeline, you simply 1. Click on the pipeline options within the left-hand pane and select SmartStock Solutions. 2. Scrolling down will show you all the opportunities that have been added to the pipeline and what stages they're at. 3. If you select the relevant customer, by clicking on the name, it will take you directly to the opportunity. 4. Clicking the Edit button, top right, will give you the option to update any of the details. 5. You can select the next stage from the drop-down menu. Also, clicking Create Item will allow you to enter specific details and values. Then click Save. This will then update within the pipeline. Once you've updated Vector, engage with your customer and demonstrate the total cost of ownership (TCO) tool and show the savings the customer will make on an annual basis versus the cost of the solution. You will find other marketing material to use in your discussions with your customer on the hub, such as a guide to SmartStock, presentations and a video. A landing page on Rexel website has also been created to host all of the information for customers. Also, invite your customer to our live webinar, which will showcase in further detail the benefits of the solution, hosted by one of our company experts. Dates will be regularly communicated to you via the weekly briefing. Throughout your discussions, please reassure your customer that Rexel will make the whole process easy, from installation and setup to mobilisation and ongoing support, including any technical support required. Capture any questions you are unable to answer in the meeting and seek help by emailing us at smartstock@rexel.co.uk or simply call the Rexel National Contact Centre. Now your customer has received all the information and benefits of SmartStock solutions and they've expressed an interest in signing up. They'll be required to complete the Initial Qualifying Questions (IQQ). This form will need to be submitted to smartstock@rexel.co.uk for the agreement to be authorised and mobilised. In selling SmartStock solutions, remember you're not only solving a customer problem, but also providing the following benefits for you and the wider Rexel business. Locking in your customers' ongoing loyalty to Rexel and locking out competitors, helping maintain consistency in pricing and margin, opening up opportunities for switch selling to higher margin products, increasing sales revenue, reducing quotations and queries, reducing paperwork and operational processes such as order processing and invoicing. Thank you for completing this module. The next 2 modules in the SmartStock series are how to set up and mobilise SmartStock solutions, which will help you take the next steps once you've secured a customer's interest in a solution, and show you the process you need to follow for successful implementation, and how to use SmartStock, which explains the processes and procedures both the customer and the branch will follow in their day-to-day operation of the system. Please make sure you complete all modules so you are equipped to answer any questions from your customer with confidence. Thank you.